can easily magnify or zoom into an area on the screen. This is useful if you're presenting something on a board or online. It is also a useful accessibility tool. Let's see how. To turn on the magnifier tool, press down on the Windows key and then the plus sign key together. You'll notice the magnifier toolbar has appeared. If you press the keys again, the image will zoom in to wherever the cursor is located. If you have gone too far, press the Windows key and the minus sign key together and repeat it until you reach the desired magnification level. To turn off the magnification, press the Windows key and the escape key together. You can customize the magnifier. Press together the Control, Windows and M key. The magnifier also has a narrator option. First, bring up the magnifier toolbar by pressing the Windows key and the plus sign together. Now click anywhere in the text where you want the reading to occur, and then click play, and once finished, press the pause icon.
Molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom.
The magnifier toolbar allows you to change the speed of the narration and the voice by clicking on the settings icon.
A water molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom.
Click on the Watch Next option to learn how you can use another accessibility tool.